we should mess with this guy.
I have a sudden urge for vigilante justice.
Maybe I am an evil genius. Maybe I know how to teleport. Either way, he's never gonna know.
His identity is unknown.
What's up, people? Okay, so with the MR2 build, this is getting exciting. The fender flares are coming soon, gonna buff out the rest, and on the road, doing the exhaust in the next one. However, we have a problem. And all I can say is, I don't know what it is with the 80s and cliche heroes that just wanna beat up on everybody that they think is not normal, but enough of this ranting. Watch this video right now. It's only 2 minutes and you'll see the problem.
What's going on, guys? It's Andrew with Avalon King. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a really exciting day because we ended up buying a project car. This is a 1985 Pontiac. What the fuck?
Born with gasoline for blood and a turbo for a heart, the lone driver sets out to create the ultimate driving machine. Melting flesh with steel, he harnesses the dark art of automotive mechanics to bend speed and power to his will.
I have a sudden urge for vigilante justice.
I'm just gonna get in the car.
Oh, wait, hold up. Okay. $10 says that is a plot device.
Scanning. Scan complete. Agent Andrew Howell confirmed. Your mission is to modify this 85 Pontiac Fiero to outperform the vehicle of a known evil genius. He is constructing a similar vehicle. Exceed him in every aspect. Speed, handling, and style. His identity is unknown. This message will now self-destruct.
Dope. I'm glad that didn't happen. I'm keeping these sunglasses. These are sick.
Why am I pegged as an evil genius? That's clearly my picture. Okay, he's got a dinosaur from the ceiling. He must be evil, because only an evil genius would have a dinosaur. Meh. Like, what? Come on. Like, I'm just a guy building stuff. I'm not evil. Like, it's an MR2. Okay, it's black. It's got a red interior. It's kind of sinister looking. And, maybe like an 80s evil genius would drive this. But seriously, man, what are your silly glasses telling you? Who is HQ? And where people are sending this? It's fake news. It is fake news. However, okay, so here's the life thing, you guys, like Casey, Dad Casey. So how am I supposed to respond to this is the question. Comment below, seriously. So will he find out my secrets? Maybe. I kind of doubt it. I mean, the guy's driving a Fiero. How good is that? Like a faux Ferrari, fake Ferrari? Who even does that? Does anybody actually drive a Fiero? So mistake number one for 80s hero. And synthwave, okay, I kind of like the synthwave. But seriously, this is an MR2. This is a Toyota. You got nothing. Silver top 4 AGE. Yes, you're going down. And I'm not an evil genius, but either way, I'm going to finish this, and I think we should mess with this guy. Mess with the 80s hero that thinks he's cool. Oh, evil genius, I've got cool sunglasses. These things are sick. I've got a Fiero. I think I'm cool now because the engine's in the back. It's a V6. Was that out of a Camaro or something? It's not even a V8. It's an American car. It's supposed to have a V8. You're going down, dude. Avalon King. You got nothing. So, fine. Let this car seem evil, even though it's not. You're just picking on me. And everybody should be worried about the epidemic outbreak, this like crazy sickness that's going around. Or maybe I really am an evil genius and I'm the one that's created all this for instability in the world markets and things like that. And it's just a giant ploy to beat up on the baby boomers and take all the classic cars into Teach with Ingenious Grudge. That could be too. Maybe I am an evil genius. Maybe I know how to teleport. Either way, he's never gonna know, and you're never gonna catch me, Avalon King. You got nothing, 80s superhero. In the meantime, I hope you guys do comment on what I should do with this and how I should mess with Agent Andrew Howe in his Fiero. So naturally, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see this. I have a feeling it's going to get very 80s, very exciting, and very silly. So please like, comment, and of course subscribe. See you guys next time.
There are many tools, tricks, and products that help me do all these automotive adventures. And one of them is ceramic coating by Avalon King. This stuff literally bonds to the molecular level of your paint to keep that long-lasting shine for years. And better than any old conventional wax literally can. Nobody actually has time for wax on, wax off anymore. So give Avalon King a try. You can go down in the description, buy some. You're going to be glad you did.